Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, HP Officejet Pro 6960, as you can see. And now I can show you how to insert the different types of paper cards into this printer. Firstly, let's begin with the normal plain A4 cards. So how to insert this card? So as you can see here, we have the paper place. And here we have this part that we can open, and here we have the place for paper cards. Of course, we can do it without opening the upper part. We can just drag it, and here, as you can see, we have the place to insert in the paper. But sometimes you have this place smaller, wider, bigger, and other sizes. So this is, as you can understand, this is the place where we can regulate. So using this regulator, we can regulate the size of paper we wanna insert. For example, if you have the A5 paper card, I have the normal plain A4, but I have make A5 from the A4. And to print on the A5, of course, you can't print in this way. You need to make the slot a little smaller and insert it deeper and close. And as you can see, it have understand that I have inserted the A5 paper card. Cool, it's automatically understanding because of this regulator. As you can see, my paper card can move here. As you can see, it's not too stiff laying here. So we can use it in this way. And of course, if you wanna insert normal A4 card, you need to make it wider and insert paper cards. And cool. And insert it. Cool. That's it. Sometimes when you have longer cards, not the A4 but in other format, you need to open this part of the paper slot if you have long cards. So in this way it will help you. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.